Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the please turn off USB storage and try again error on your phone. Alright, so first check if you're connected to any USB devices. So if you're using a USB cable or an OTG adapter, make sure to unplug it. Next, try offloading WhatsApp. So to do that, go to settings, then tap general, then tap iPhone storage. So find WhatsApp on the list and tap on it. Now tap offload app. So this will remove the app but keep all your data. Now after that, tap reinstall app to install it again. So if that still doesn't work, go check if your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You can do that by opening the App Store and searching for WhatsApp. So if there's an update button, go ahead and tap it. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.